Hi and welcome. My name is Alicia, and today we talk about getting pink lips again. And I already can tell you that beauty companies hate this secret. And now, please listen to me and listen to me very carefully. If you've been staring at your reflection, wondering when your lips turn from kissable pink to, well, let's just say something that looks like you've been drinking black coffee for the past decade straight, then you need to hear this. You guys, I'm about to share something that's going to make you want to throw every single lip product you own straight into the trash. Because here's the brutal truth. Those expensive lip scrubs and miracle bombs you've been buying, they're not just failing you, they're actually making your dark lips worse. I know you're probably thinking, but I spent $30 on that lip scrub from that fancy brand. Well, buckle up, because that $30 mistake is exactly why you're here watching this video instead of flaunting naturally pink lips. Here's what nobody wants to tell you. Your lips didn't just decide to turn dark overnight because they were feeling dramatic. There are 5 specific reasons this happened. And if you don't address every single one of them, you'll be stuck with dark lips forever, no matter how many products you slather on. But here's where it gets interesting. I'm about to give you a 2-step natural treatment that costs less than your morning latte and will transform your lips in just 7 days. Not 7 weeks, not 7 months, but only 7 days. The catch: you only have to follow it exactly as I tell you. No shortcuts, no "I'll try it tomorrow," no mixing it with your expensive products. Because trust me on this, I've seen too many people sabotage their own results by thinking they know better. Ready to say goodbye to those dark lips forever? Let's dive in. Okay, let's talk about why your lips decided to betray you in the first place. And yes, I said betray, because if you're anything like most of my viewers, you've been unknowingly torturing your poor lips for years. Reason number 1, and this is going to hurt. Your diet is absolutely destroying your lips. You know that afternoon coffee ritual? That evening tea session? Every single sip is slowly but surely darkening your lips. And don't even get me started on smoking. If you're a smoker watching this, your lips are basically screaming for help. Reason number 2. You're a lip peeler, aren't you? Come on, don't lie to me. When your lips get dry and flaky, you can't help yourself. You have to peel that skin off. Well, congratulations. You've been creating a vicious cycle that's making your lips darker with every peel. Reason number 3. Dehydration. You guys, your lips are like little sponges, and when they're not getting enough water, they shrivel up and turn dark. It's that simple. But here's the real kicker. Reason number 4. Sun exposure. Your lips don't have melanin protection like the rest of your skin. So every time you step outside without lip protection, you're basically slow cooking them into darkness. And reason number 5. You've been using the wrong products. Those market lip scrubs you love so much. They're stripping your lips of natural oils and creating more dryness, which leads to more peeling, which leads to, you guessed it, darker lips. The good news? Every single one of these problems has a natural solution, and you're about to learn exactly how to fix them. Now, before we get into the solution, I need to expose something that's going to make you absolutely furious. The beauty industry has been lying to you about lip care, and it's time someone tells you the truth. You know those $40 lip treatments that promise instant results? Here's what they don't want you to know. They're designed to give you temporary improvement, so you keep buying more. It's like putting a Band-Aid on a broken pipe and calling it fixed. I had a viewer message me last week. Let's call her Jennifer. Jennifer spent over $200 on different lip products in 6 months. Scrubs, masks, serums, you name it. Her lips, still too dark, still dry, still frustrating her every single day. Why? Because those products were treating the symptoms, not the root cause. The conspiracy goes deeper than you think. These companies know that natural ingredients work better than their synthetic formulas. That's why they're now trying to put beetroot extract and honey into their products. But guess what? They add so many other chemicals and preservatives for instant fake results. that the natural ingredients become practically useless. Here's the insider secret they don't want you to know. The most effective lip treatment ingredients cost pennies, literally. The 3 ingredients I'm about to share with you cost less than $5 total, okay? And they'll last you months. But there's a catch. You have to use them correctly. Most people mess this up by either using the wrong ratios, applying them incorrectly, or mixing them with other products that cancel out their effectiveness. Question: are you ready to beat them at their own game? Then let's get into the treatment that's going to change everything. All right, you guys, it's time for the good stuff. Step 1 of our 7-day challenge is what I call the Dead Skin Destroyer. And trust me, this scrub is about to become your new best friend. But first, let me tell you about my viewer, Jessica. This woman messaged me after trying everything, and I mean everything. Professional treatments, expensive scrubs, even those weird lip masks that cost more than a nice dinner. Nothing worked. Then she tried this exact scrub recipe, and after just 1 use, her husband asked if she was wearing lipstick. And after 7 days, her lips looked like she was born with them pink. Here's what makes this scrub absolutely magical. We're using honey, glycerin, and sugar, but in the exact right proportions that most people get wrong. Honey is your moisture lockdown specialist. While other scrubs strip your lips dry, honey makes sure every bit of hydration stays put. It's like having a tiny bouncer protecting your lip moisture 24/7. Glycerin is your irritation eliminator. You know that awful stinging you get with store-bought scrubs? Glycerin says, "Not on my watch," and keeps everything smooth and comfortable. Sugar is your dead skin demolition expert. But here's the secret. It's not just removing dead skin. It's boosting blood circulation, which naturally brings back that pink color from the inside out. It's the recipe. 1 spoon honey, ½ spoon glycerin, 1 spoon sugar. Mix it up and massage in gentle circles for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave it on for another minute, then wipe off. Do this every other day. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. No more, no less. More won't make it work faster. It'll just irritate your lips. Now comes the secret weapon that's going to seal in all that goodness, what I call the Pink Dreams Overnight Mask. And you guys, this is where the real magic happens. Let me tell you about my viewer, Audria. She did step 1 perfectly, saw some improvement, but then made the classic mistake. She stopped there. Her results plateaued, and she got frustrated. Then she added step 2, and within 3 days, people were asking what lip product she was using. The answer: none, just this mask. Here's why step 2 is absolutely crucial. When you scrub, you remove all the bad stuff, but you also remove your natural protection. If you don't seal in the goodness immediately, your lips will darken again just as fast as they lightened. This overnight mask has 3 powerhouse ingredients that work while you sleep. Beetroot juice is nature's lip lighter. This isn't some made-up benefit. Beetroot has been scientifically proven to naturally lighten skin. Even the fancy brands are trying to copy this, but they dilute it so much it barely works. Aloe vera gel is your hydration superhero. It's non-sticky, absorbs beautifully, and gives your lips that plump, healthy look naturally. And Desi ghee. Listen, I don't care how fancy your lip balms are. Nothing beats pure Desi ghee for deep moisture that actually lasts. The recipe: equal parts 1 spoon aloe vera gel, 1 spoon beetroot juice, 1 spoon Desi ghee. Mix thoroughly and apply as a thick layer before bed. This combination doesn't just moisturize, it actively works to restore your lips' natural pink color while you sleep. It's like having a professional lip treatment every single night. Before we wrap up, I need to share some success stories that will blow your mind and the common mistakes that almost sabotage these results. First up, my viewer, Rachel. This woman was so embarrassed by her dark lips that she hadn't taken a photo without lipstick in 3 years. After following this exact protocol for 7 days, she sent me a makeup-free selfie with the caption, "I can't believe these are my real lips." But here's where Rachel almost messed up. On day 4, she thought more is better and tried to do the scrub daily instead of every other day. Her lips got irritated and she panicked. I told her to stick to the schedule, alternate days only. And by day 7, she had the results she wanted. Then there's my viewer, David. Yes, guys, men deal with this too. He was a heavy coffee drinker and occasional smoker. After 7 days of this treatment, even his coworkers noticed the difference. His secret: he followed both steps religiously and didn't try to mix in any other products. The biggest mistake I see: people trying to improve the recipe. They add essential oils. They mix in their expensive bombs. Change the ratios. Don't. This recipe works because of the precise balance. Change one thing, and you'll ruin everything. Second biggest mistake: impatience. Some people expect overnight miracles, but this is a 7-day challenge for a reason. Trust the process. Third mistake: inconsistency. You can't do it for 3 days, skip 2 days, then expect perfect results. Consistency is everything. Follow the protocol exactly as I've laid out, and you will see results. All right, you guys, here's where the rubber meets the road. I'm throwing down the ultimate challenge. And I'm so confident in these results that I'm making you a guarantee you've probably never heard before. Here's your 7-day pink lips challenge. Take a photo of your lips right now. Yes, right now, before you even try this treatment. Save it. Then follow both steps exactly as I've outlined for the next 7 days. On day 8, take another photo and compare. My guarantee: if you follow this protocol exactly, no cheating, no shortcuts, it's no improvements, and you don't see a dramatic difference in your lips. Come back to this video and leave a comment telling me I was wrong. I'll personally help you figure out what went wrong. But here's what I really think is going to happen. You're going to be so shocked by your results that you'll want to share them with everyone. Your friends are going to ask what lip products you're using. Your family is going to notice. You might even catch yourself smiling more because you're not self-conscious about your lips anymore. The ingredients for both steps cost less than one expensive lip balm, and they'll last you months. You have absolutely nothing to lose and naturally pink lips to gain. Before you go running to gather your ingredients, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I have more natural treatments coming that are going to revolutionize your entire skincare routine. Hit that notification bell too. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Drop a comment below and let me know. Are you ready to take the 7-day challenge? Your future pink-lipped self is waiting. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.